What's up, guys? It is the hottest day of the year. What's it say on there? 101 degrees, I think, right?
Yep, 101.
Hotter than hell. And I got my AC auto. Yeah, Big Brian here. Big Brian in the house. Going to gonna head up to Duncan Donuts and get one of their drinks. They got this baby girl. Woo. Yeah, I got my sunroof opened up to let some of this hot air out of here. Here we go. Dunkin' Donuts, guys. Let's see what they got on here. Specialty drinks.
What can I Duncan?
Hello.
What can I get for you?
Can you give me a minute? I just want to check out your drinks.
Yeah, just go to when you're ready.
Okay. You know which one you might want?
The peanut butter. Sounds good.
Which one?
Down on the bottom.
Which
Peanut butter.
Chop.
Enchilada.
Okay. And let's see. Okay, I'm ready.
What can I get for you?
Can I get the peanut butter Duncan latte?
What size?
Medium. And the mango pineapple lemonade refresher.
What size did you want for that one?
Large.
Okay. So medium iced peanut butter Dunkin' latte and a large mango pineapple with lemonade.
Yes.
Anything else today?
And can we get a couple of jelly donuts?
I'm sorry, we're actually out of jelly today.
Oh, that sucks. What other ones?
They have
You got anything close to jelly?
strawberry ice.
I'm sorry?
Do you have anything close to a jelly donut? Like
We have like an apple filled that has like kind of like a cinnamon
Oh, yeah.
apple on top.
Yeah, yes.
You want two of those?
Yes.
Okay. Anything else for you?
That's it.
14, 17.
I got just enough on that card. Ain't 15. Haven't had a jelly donut in a long time, and still ain't gonna have one. Okay. There we go.
Hi, 14,
Hello.
17.
Okay. There you go. Yep. I just made it, didn't
Here you
I?
go.
Okay. Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you. Can I put you on camera? Want to say hi?
Hi.
Okay.
Hi, Duncan.
Okay,
Here you
here.
go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Okay, you too. Perfect time because nobody's behind us. Ah, yeah. So let's see what they look like. Can you open it up real quick? Hey, you can sit the drink down.
Oh, look at that.
Huh? What's that? Oh yeah. That's the next best thing to jelly donut. It's hotter than hell, guys. 101. Good day to go to the pool or the beach or the lake. There's Dunkin' Donuts. Nope. Ooh, look at that. It's hazy, man. This is how summer's usually hot, hazy. Did you taste yours yet? Peanut butter latte.
Yeah, very good.
Really?
Yes.
Let me
You want to try it?
Yeah, I'll take a sip. Hang on. I gotta get this view, guys. Stay tuned for the view coming up. This beautiful view. Come around this curve here and there it is.
It is hazy.
Hazy as heck. But there's the view. Can you see that view, guys? Look at that beautiful view right there. In all its glory. Imagine being a wagon train coming over that hill. Seeing that. Like, oh, look at that. Is this the 4th of July weekend?
Yes.
This is the 4th of July weekend, too. Easy, laddie. Steady she goes. This bridge ain't nothing like the Chesapeake Bay Bridge. Had to get the Pyramid Mountain on there. Look at that. I should go over to Walmart
We can go to Walmart.
and check out that fireworks junk. Talk to that guy, see what they got over there. I might do that. Turn this into like a vlog.
Do some fireworks tonight.
There's Wally World. Oh. Where's that fireworks junk here?
Down there. Right down there.
Oh, I think it's gone already. It can't be gone. Oh,
No, it's down.
yeah, okay. Sit down over here, please. I'm gonna see. Oh, stay, Zoe. Hello. Hi. Do you got the fireworks to shoot up in the sky?
We're here. I'm shopping.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay.
Unfortunately, we don't have aerials.
Okay.
But we do still like the max capacity that we can find.
So these are just the ones for like stay on the ground.
They're like big fountains, and we just got some bigger fountains in, shipped in like 2 days ago, which are pretty huge. They last like 5 minutes.
Okay. Thank you.
So most of our fountains are along this one, and there's all over. We have fountains. This one they're all under 10 tables. The table right next to us all taking guys and the like mention guys on them.
You don't have. Do you sell firecrackers?
Firecrackers, not like traditional firecrackers, but
Okay.
we have jumping jacks, which are what people think are like closest to firecrackers, and they kind of like jump around too.
Jumping. You say jumping
Yeah.
jacks.
Jumping jacks. Yeah,
Okay.
everyone says that they're like the closest thing you could find here for like
Okay.
something like those, and they're also buy one get one free.
How much are those?
$13.99.
13. Buy one get one free.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
You got enough stuff. I'm just curious. Oh yeah. And I think they're cheaper too. Okay. I'm surprised Zoe didn't blow the horn this time. So let me taste this
Good.
peanut butter.
Coffee. Peanut butter coffee.
All I gotta say is, I'm glad you like it.
I like it.
I don't like iced coffee though.
I do.
All right, guys. So let me taste my drink. Let me see how mine tastes. Happy 4th of July. It was a baby girl. Let Dad taste this drink. I got this. Well, you see what I got. All right. It's all right. Peace out.